Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode question number 2027. Minimum moves to convert string. You are given a string S consisting of n characters, which are either x or 0. A move is defined, a move is defined as selecting three consecutive characters. We want to select three consecutive characters and we can convert them to O. Note that if we apply the operation on O remains same. Return the minimum number of moves. We want to return minimum number of moves to convert the characters, all characters to what? O. So this is what a question states. Now let us see the example. See here, this is the first example. It is x, x, x. Take all these three x. We can take three consecutive characters. What is my three consecutive characters? The next to next characters. If there exists array, just assume there exists an array in which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the question is, we can take three consecutive characters. First, we can take this 1, 2, 3. Then we can take this 2, 3, 4. Next, we can take this 3, 4, 5. So these are the consecutive three characters. Okay, this continues. Now I can take this x, x, x and convert into O, O, O. Yes. So totally I require how many moves? Only one moves. Now come to this question x, x, O, x. Now to convert this, I want to convert first this set of characters. So I converted O, O, O. Next, I want to what? Just convert the next set. But unfortunately, we have only one element. Just convert it. How many moves we have? One move here, one move here. So totally two. Fine. Now the last example. All are O's. All are O's. But still, we just check for first three characters whether there is any x. No. Skip. Move to the next character. Whether there is any x. No. No. Just leave it. The answer is what? 0. Fine. So this is the approach. So this is a simple question, but still you have to know only one example. I will give you an extra example. Just check it out. O x x x. This is the best example to illustrate a small edge case. See here. If we take every three consecutive elements, 3, then 3, then 3 elements like this, we will face an error. Like, see here, we will not get the required output. See here, in this case, first we want to what? Just made this set of three characters to O, right? Then making this set of characters O, but unfortunately there is only one element, so make this O. So I have used one operation here and one move here. So totally I have used how many moves? 2 moves. But for the same question, see here, I can ignore this O. I can ignore this O because I already told you that O remains same, but we want to make the x as O. Take this 3x and make it as O. So I want to do only one step. So 1 is a minimum, right? So this is what the case we want to understand. Fine. Now let's see the code. This is so easy problem. See here. C is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. While I is less than or less than ln of s, if s of I is equal to O, then I plus is equal to 1. If the first character is O, we want to do I plus 1 and continue. Why? Because see here it is what? 0, right? Sorry, O. Is it efficient to change from O? No. We just skip it, right? We just skip it and go to the next character. That's what we have done in this example. That's what I have done here. Then continue. It goes to the next iteration. If it is not a case, then it comes here. If x in s of I is to I plus 1. I'm just taking the substring of three characters and checking whether that x exists. But still, we don't want to put this condition. Okay, we don't want to put this condition. We can make sure that if there is no O, I can say there will be x. If there is no O, we can make sure there will be x, right? That is, here I have used O. See here, this is my initial position. If it is O, whether it is x, no. If it is this position is not O, confirmly it will be x, right? We want to make all these three characters. We must apply the move, right? We must apply the operation because we want to make this x as O. So we must apply to the all these three elements. So that's what I have done here. Then I will move to the next third element, right? Let's see here. If I done, see here, this is my scenario. If I done to this subarray, as I made this a 0, then I have to move back to this part, right? And the important part and greedy is, just listen, you don't want to do any stuff or any changes in array until the question is asked. See here, the question is asked only the minimum moves, not to change the string. That's why I just moved to the 3 steps pattern. I didn't change anything in the array, right? Then return C. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Fine. Now let us analyze the time complexity and space complexity. Let's see what is the time complexity. I can say the time complexity is O of n, and what is the space complexity? It is O of 1, because we didn't use any space, right? But how comes it is O of n? Because we are just iterating through I as 1 or 3. Only once we are traversing the array. That's why the time complexity is O of 1. Sorry, O of n. Thank you.